Hello, I'm Mr. Danner. This is the HVAC lab. Right here you see on pretty much every counter is some piece of equipment that's being worked on right now. Over here we have seniors working on a rolling refrigerator for horticulture to keep their flowers fresh. Over here I have a 10th grade student working on a window unit from home. It's only 2 years old, stopped working, so now we're going to fix it. Over here we have a heat pump and an air conditioner on a rolling cart. So when things start to get crowded, like they are now, we can just move it over there and plug it into one of the trucks. Over here we have more equipment we're working on. Every student, once they get to the second year, will rebuild one of these trainers. These are small rolling miniature refrigerators or air conditioners. It depends which cart they pick. So right now 4 of these are being torn apart and rebuilt. Over here we have the sheet metal area. So in your first year, you're just going to learn how to make one simple piece of straight duct. And then in your senior year, you'll finish off your sheet metal tasks and earn your job title for sheet metal. Up here on the mezzanine is where we have all the fossil fuel burning equipment. So we have an oil furnace, an oil boiler, 3 gas furnaces, 1 gas boiler, 2 heat pumps, and a rooftop unit. So we have a lot of equipment. In here, all except for commercial, you'll see pretty much anything that you'll see in the field. We have a walk-in cooler over here that the seniors are working on right now. So this is what would be called light commercial. This is something you might run into at a restaurant, a McDonald's, a Wawa, where you have a small cooler like this. We can cool this to about 30 degrees below zero with one of these condensing units over here. And then we have another coil in here that will just refrigerate it to around 30. Over here's the rest of the sheet metal area. We have all the tools we need to make any kind of sheet metal project. Here in the construction cluster, our biggest thing is the house project. And the students here in HVAC make all of the ductwork for the house project, and we install it from start to finish. So under here we have all the heat pumps. One of the adult students I have was working on his trainer back here because it's quieter. So we have the heat pumps under here. We have one hung like you would see in an attic, and then we have the other one standing. And we have an ice maker that you have to install and then learn how to service. So once you've worked on all this equipment, you can earn up to 4 job titles in here. The first job title is sheet metal worker, and then we have residential HVAC mechanic. We have commercial refrigeration mechanic, and then we have energy auditor. And the energy auditor, everybody asks, what's that? Well, that's where you would go and measure a house and do heat loss calculations for it and show the customer where they could save money.
For more information about this program, please visit the program page at www.berkscareer.com.